In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Netflix application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, you can tap on the search box and then type in Netflix and start your search. Once you find the Netflix application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will begin the download and installation of the Netflix application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when it is done, you will see the open button. Tap on the open button and this will open up the Netflix application on your device. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to create your new account or logging in to your existing one in order to start using your Netflix account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Netflix application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.